Hello, hello, Dr. Cliff, your movement recovery specialist, back with another episode. You can see today we are in the gymnasium and we are going to talk about exercises for Parkinson's disease. Remember, as we have discussed in previous videos, Parkinson's disease typically limits your mobility and flexibility as well as your balance, and can also cause something called bradykinesia, which is a decreased movement sensation or ability. So typically you see people kind of shuffle their feet, or if you tell them to lift their arm high, it only goes about here. So the majority of our exercises are going to encourage working on mobility as well as emphasizing larger motions to help with these symptoms. As with any exercise program, you may have other limiting conditions that it's good to be checked out by your doctor or your physical therapist before you start this. So, you can see I'm sitting. These exercises can all be made easier or harder depending on your position. This video, we're going to do the 8 main exercises that we have patients here at Gabriel Rehab do, and I'll do a second video with standing exercises. Exercise number 1, we call touchdown. So just lift the arms up high like you're saying your favorite team scored a touchdown, and then put them back down. Touchdown. Then back down. Second exercise, pick the apple off the tree. Not so many apples in Florida. More like pick the oranges off the tree here. So take your hand, reach up and over, and as you can see, I'm turning at the hip and reaching across my body. Come back down. Reach up and over, come back down. Then we do the other side. Reach up and over, come back down, up and over, come back down. How many of these should you do? Good question. I'm doing 2 of each for demonstration. I think a good number to start with is maybe 5 if you haven't been doing anything. Trying to work up to at least 10, maybe 20, or for most of my patients we do 20, but a lot of times we break it up into 2 sets of 10. So you would do 10 of everything down through, and then rest a few minutes, and then do 10 again. Exercise number 3 is figure 8s. Take the hands, put them together, and then we're going to make a big sideways 8. So you come over and around and back down, around, down, and then switch directions. Over, around, down. Oh, you can feel that through the shoulder blades. Just kind of stretching everything out, getting it moving. I probably should do that one more often myself. Number 4 is me cheating a little bit because it's actually 3 exercises put together. So there's more than 8. This is the swimming series. So the first exercise is freestyle swimming. Just bring the arm up and over and reach out in front of you. Then the other arm up and over, reach out in front of you. Back to the first arm, and back to the second arm. Second part is backstroke, so we just reverse it. Lift up high, get that shoulder rotating, maybe the body turning a little bit with it. And you know, if you're missing some of this motion, which is pretty common, especially for people over 50 or 60, but even for some younger people, especially if you had a shoulder injury, your circle may not look as big as mine. It may look more like this. That's okay. Just get as much motion there as you are able to without causing a bunch of pain. Then our third stroke is breaststroke with standing. Hands here, reach out, reach big, and stand up. And then come and sit back down. You may need something a little higher to stand from, depending on your leg strength, but we do it from the table or from a chair. Typically, a chair will be more comfortable to start with because you have support for your back, but as you get a little stronger and your trunk's stronger, then you can sit on, you know, the side of a low bed or a bench where all of your core muscles have to work a little bit more. So I'll do one more of those. Out, around, stay there, stand up, and sit back down. Number 5 is cross-country skiing, where you have your ski poles and you just make big moves back and forth like this. Number 6 is climb the rope. So we're gonna grab here, grab here, grab here, grab here, and then slide back down. Grab in front of you, a little bit higher, a little bit higher, a little bit higher. Slide down. Number 7 is the can-can. Lift the leg up, kick the leg out, then back down. Lift the leg up, kick the leg out. This one you can do on one side, might be a little easier, or if you want a little bit more of a challenge, you can do one side, then the other, alternating back and forth. And the last one, big finish, is I'm a star. You just bring your arms and your legs out as far as you can. Woo, I'm a star. Just like that. Those are 8 main exercises in sitting for Parkinson's disease, or you can do them for other, you know, movement problems that you have, or just if you want to kind of get your whole body moving and warmed up a little as well. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And if you're interested in seeing more Parkinson's videos and exercises, don't forget to stop by for the next video, which I'm going to show you the standing version of these exercises.